Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing offline access so your photos are usable without internet. Sign in to Google Photos while online and confirm your account. This syncs thumbnails and metadata locally. Once signed in, open Settings and enable storage permissions and save to device where available. This caches images. Make sure any albums you need are opened once so previews download. After that, check the Photos app cache size and free up temporary space, if needed, so more items will store locally. Now you focus on downloading and caching the actual images you will use offline. Open each target album and scroll through, or tap individual photos to force full-resolution previews to download. This ensures the files are cached. For items still in the cloud, use the app menu's Download or Save to Device option so originals save to local storage. Once downloaded, mark them as favorites or move them into a dedicated offline album to prevent automatic cleanup. This gives you Finally, test and complete the offline workflow by switching your device to airplane mode and opening the offline albums you prepared. You should see full images and metadata available. If any picture appears as low resolution or blank, reconnect briefly and re-download the original, then retest offline. If downloads fail or sync stalls, clear the photos cache, free storage space, or restart the app to force recaching. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle the app storage permission and re-download problem items to resolve stale cache issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.